Myself Subair, co-founder and executive of Story Labs. So we have started the company in 2014 and now we are serving clients all over the world from US, Europe, Asia and Africa. We have an innovative technology company focusing on the e-commerce. So we have solutions as well as we also provide services in the e-commerce area. Being a software company, we wanted to have our quality assured by another vendor so that they can independently check our solutions and make a comment on it. So that is one of the reasons we have engaged with TextFox. So being an IT company, especially focusing on the technologies, we wanted to have one company focusing on the quality area. Since a company which is more focusing on the quality, its process, we believe that such a company will add value for our solutions. So earlier, before engaging with TextFox, we had issues, we were facing challenges from onboarding resources to making the quality process. So TextFox actually filled the gap and they came up with the best solutions. In fact, we haven't worked with any other quality company in Storylab, so we won't be able to comment on it. But from our experience, TextFox gives the best solution for us. We are very much satisfied with it. TextFox is really committed, so they are flexible and they take the entire responsibility of quality side. We see that the solutions they provide, the people engage with us, they are of high quality with a lot of passion. So this makes TextFox probably unique. As of now, TextFox is engaged in each project separately. So in the future, we are planning to have a pool of resources, quality resources, and TextFox takes care of the entire projects and they will get the freedom of allocating the resource based on the requirements. We will surely recommend TextFox as a partner for the quality because we are satisfied with their service and the quality of their work.